This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to do the Egypt Prince dance, breaking down each step for you. We start with a foundational stance. Stand tall with your knees gently bent and your chest lifted. The first move is a simple step touch, where one foot taps forward. This touch acts as a pivot for your hips. Remember to keep your knees soft and flexible. This is key for fluid movement and prevents any bouncing in your upper body. Let's get ready to move. Now, let's add the signature hip movement. As you step forward, lift and twist your hip upward and inward, almost like you're pushing it towards your center. You can give a gentle squeeze to the glute on the active side for more emphasis. It's crucial that your standing knee stays stable and aligned with your toes. Practice alternating these hip lifts with each step, starting slowly to build muscle memory, then gradually picking up the pace for a smooth, continuous flow. Next, we'll add expressive arm gestures to elevate your dance. There are several variations, but a popular one involves placing one hand near your temple while the other extends forward, pointing in the direction of your hip twist. Another beautiful option is to hold both arms above your head, gently pulling them open and closed. Always keep your elbows slightly bent and your wrists soft for a fluid, elegant look. Let your gaze follow your extended hand, adding intention to every movement. Finally, let's bring all these elements together. Combine your step touches, dynamic hip twists, and expressive arm gestures into one fluid sequence. Focus on maintaining a consistent rhythm and ensuring smooth transitions between each part of the movement. Practicing in front of a mirror can greatly help you refine your posture and coordination. Remember to start slowly, gradually increasing your speed as you become more comfortable. Most importantly, enjoy the process and let your unique style shine through.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.